Vlogmas day 1. Okay, so here's the real tea. I started this yesterday. My day wasn't even interesting yesterday, but I started this yesterday because I thought that was when we all start Vlogmas, but I guess we all start Vlogmas on December 1st and then we post on December 2nd. But I've usually been doing it the other way around. Anyway, we're doing it this way. So I'm filming on December 1st and I'll be posting on the 2nd. I think that's the right way to do it. Most people do it that way. I did some research. Like, I haven't done Vlogmas before, but happy Vlogmas. Next week is my last week of school, so this is going to be kind of a hectic week. I did a lot of work yesterday, and then today I kind of wanted to just clean, and I have a massage at 5:45, so I wanted to get all the stressful things out of the way yesterday and then go for my massage. That's my treat to myself because I deserve it. Hey guys, we're gonna be vlogging every single day. I'm so excited. If you're new here, I hope we meet a lot of new people along the way through this journey of vlogging, but I'm really excited. Last couple days I've been feeling some like seasonal depression, and I kind of relate that to my period. I think my period TMI was making me a little sad because you know how those mess up your mood sometimes, girls, you know what I mean? So I'm feeling better and I'm feeling motivated, so I want to take that motivation and clean my room because it's been feeling kind of it's been needing it. I might do like a deep clean of that, but for now we're just hanging out and then we're gonna clean. So today's gonna be a pretty relaxing day and also a very productive day, okay? You know what I mean? Okay, and I'm craving nerd ropes. I haven't seen them in so long, and like spring rolls from this one place. So what I'm going to do is that is going to be my reward from getting everything done today. If I get all the stuff done, I will treat myself to that. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I just got off of a meeting, my last meeting for math statistics. I think I'm just gonna chill a bit, watch like 1 or 2 YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna get started with my day. We're in the car and we're ready to go to our appointment. I'm so excited. Look at my mask. I'm so excited, guys. What time is it? Okay, I got a little carried away with time, but we'll get there. Just my life. I'm literally 2 minutes away from the spot. And there's a train. Like, awesome. Can this hurry up? Like, I'm just trying to get my back rubbed. We had our massages like, holy frick, 3 hours ago. I had a deep tissue massage and this girl got every single one of my knots out. I'm serious, and she recommended I get them every like 2 weeks or monthly because she said like there's so much more she could have got because I have so much tension on my back, and I knew I did, which is why I told her to specifically focus on my back and my neck, and I knew I got some tight knots on there. I have to go to Walmart and buy yarn. I look a mess, but today was just relaxation day. I'm gonna go home after I get this yarn. I'm going to clean my room, and then tomorrow I'm gonna soak my feet and give myself a pedicure because I deserve it. And I'm gonna play Among Us because it's my favorite game. Every time I go to Walmart, I go crazy on the snacks, so I got a lot of snacks. I got hickory sticks. Do you guys have these in the States? I got peach rings. I love these. These are like sombrero, and they're like hummus and like pretzels. And I got dun-dun-dun-dun, oh snap, pickles. I have never tried this and I've always wanted to. I honestly feel like we just got them here in Canada, but I want to try them so bad. I saw a video of, I think it was, what's her name? These are like bits. Like, I wanted it to be the full pickle like I saw. They're good, but I expected better. Kind of disappointed. It's a little late. My hair looks crazy right now. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I kind of want to buy a wig and have fun with it. It's 12:17 and I think I'm just gonna clean for an hour. I know I'm not gonna probably do anything else, so I think I'm gonna like put a YouTube video on and just get to cleaning my room. Looks like a mess. It's literally haven't been this bad in so long, but I blame my hormonal issues. Also, before we start the time lapse, I wanted to put this clip in here because earlier last week I went out to eat with my bestie Erin that y'all saw earlier. So I'll put that here. My friend is here to pick me up because we're gonna get bowls, okay? They're Vietnamese bowls. They look good and I'm hungry, so let's go. Okay, these are the boots I'm gonna wear. No makeup on my hair. It looks like a little frizz ball, but it's okay. It is full-blown winter over here. If I can put you guys down. Dad? Yeah. Do you have any masks? If you don't have any, that's fine. I have some.
No, I have a lot of freedom. Put in the plastic.
This is way better than these cloth ones. I was distracted. I'm trying to do a day in my life. Depends how it goes. But what are the bowls? Okay, what are the bowls called? Because I don't know what they're called.
Vermicelli?
Vermicelli? I was calling them Vercellis. I don't know. Anyways, you know, you know.
We can put it.
Without doing like this, like not grabbing like one arm.
Yeah, we went out to eat and I wanted to do like a day in my life college edition video, but I got carried away and that didn't turn out. So maybe I'll do that somewhere in this Vlogmas video, in this Vlogmas series. I'm so happy we're doing Vlogmas. But for now, I'm going to set up the camera and I'm going to deep clean the heck out of my room. And I'm so excited. Y'all don't know how much I need this. All right, for the most part, I cleaned my room. I just need to vacuum tomorrow. Look at that. I just need to vacuum tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna end this here. Let's end it with taking my iron pills while I'm saying goodbye, while I'm saying see ya to y'all, because this is day 1 of Vlogmas. Got my iron pill, and I actually have to go get some blood work next week. And I have my tea. Really good tea for iron is hibiscus tea, so I drink hibiscus tea every night with an iron pill. And cheers. So yummy. That is it for Vlogmas day 1. I'm going to edit this and get this up bright and early for you guys tomorrow. And then, yeah, okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas day 1. And I'll see y'all tomorrow on day 2. Remember to be humble and always remember self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.